Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making soya naan khatai. It's a healthy version of naan khatai because it has lots of protein. So for this we need gram flour, sugar, refined flour, semolina, baking powder, butter and soya granules. I have shown. Now in a bowl take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of semolina, 2 tablespoons of castor sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it. Add few drops of vanilla essence. And add approximately 6 tablespoons of soya granules, or you can say soya granule paste. Now make a dough and make a small bowl. Make a design of a small bowls. Garnish it with cardamom or raisin, whatever you have. You can garnish it with almonds, raisin, cardamom. Now on preheated oven, bake it for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes your very healthy soya naan khatai is ready. Thank you.